Today I'm going to show you how to write Excel data into Word templates and generate a batch of Word documents. We're using Sheet to Doc today. This is the web page of Sheet to Doc. Or you can visit Microsoft Store and search for Sheet to Doc to get access to this application. We're using the simple example from Sheet to Doc usage examples. Here are Invitation 1 and 2 examples, and today we're going to cover Invitation 1 example. There are two files, one data source and one template here, and I have already downloaded both of them. This is the Excel data. And here is the Word template. In this invitation letter example, there's several data placeholders highlighted. You can see placeholder for data name and company name. Later Sheet to Doc will populate all Excel data into this Word template and generate several documents. First, let's copy all the data here and you can see the preview. And then we choose the prepared template. Data match good. And now we are going to choose Mode 1 and customize file name. Using column name. Using invitation as prefix. OK, and we will click on Generate Documents. You can see there are 1 to 3 documents. We will open one. Invitation letter for Wang Wu, already produced here, using the data from Excel. Also there for Zhang San. We just open it. It is also populated with Excel data.
Subscribe to our channel.